So in today's video, I'll tell you the simple tricks through which you can download any video from Pinterest, just like YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Go to any video on Pinterest, copy the video's link, go back to the main page and open Safari or any browser you use. Type get in device and now search. Select the first option, paste your copied URL, tap on the download option, long press on the MP4 button and select download linked file option. Now go to downloads option of your browser to see the downloaded video. So by following these steps, you can easily download any video from Pinterest, and also you can make your video very amazing. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.